Students, welcome to the proton family. Today I am going to explain you the preparation of ammonia. Here for the preparation of ammonia we need ammonium salt, and the ammonium salt can be ammonium chloride or ammonium sulfate. Here in these ammonium salts you can add alkalis, and alkalis can be potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide. So I am doing preparation with calcium hydroxide. Here calcium hydroxide. Remember, for the preparation of ammonia we need ammonium salt. So I am taking ammonium chloride salt plus alkali. Alkali, which one I have taken? Calcium hydroxide. Now what are the product you are going to get here? You will get salt, water and gas. Which salt you will get? With calcium. Here metal is calcium, so you will get here calcium chloride plus salt we have got, then salt, water plus gas. Which gas? Here ammonium salt we have used. So from ammonium salt which gas will be produced? That is ammonia. So here from ammonium chloride adding alkali we get salt, water and gas. Salt is calcium chloride, water and gas is ammonia. So here this way with the another salt, ammonium sulfate, you can also prepare ammonia adding same alkali, calcium hydroxide. Here you will get, वहाँ पे क्लोराइड था तो यहाँ पे कैल्शियम क्लोराइड आया. Here you are having the sulfate, then you will get salt, calcium sulfate plus water plus ammonia. After that you can balance the equation also. Balancing is simple. Okay, so this equation you can balance yourself. Then after that you can see the diagram. In the diagram they have shown, you can see the flask in which they have prepared ammonia. The flask is tilted little bit. Here you can see the diagram. I can show you here the diagram. Here you can see the diagram. This flask is tilted little bit. What is the reason of tilting the flask? That is, in the reaction water is produced. So if you will not tilt the flask, the water can trickle back and the reaction can stop. So that's why the flask is tilted here. See the precautions. The flask is tilted in such a way that the water formed in the reaction does not trickle back into the heated flask and thus break it. So here this precaution. Then here students, drying agent is also used because ammonia gas which is prepared during this reaction, it should be dry. So which drying agent is used? Here quicklime. What is the formula of quicklime? CaO. Drying agent is used quicklime. Okay, and here you can see quicklime formula is CaO, calcium oxide, metal oxide. So what is the nature of this CaO, calcium oxide? This is basic in nature. Ammonia gas is also basic in nature. So in the board they can also ask you question, why this quicklime is used as drying agent for ammonia gas? The reason will be quicklime is basic in nature, ammonia is also basic in nature, so they will not react with each other. Okay, then another way also they can ask you question, why other drying agents are not used to dry ammonia? Other drying agents like sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide, the reason will be same. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid, acidic in nature, it will react with ammonia. Phosphorus pentoxide will also react with ammonia, but this quicklime being basic in nature, it will not react with ammonia. So this is the reason that quicklime is used as a drying agent. So this can be a give reason in the paper. Okay. So here after this the collection of the gas, but is the method of collection, that is downward displacement of air. Air is downward and ammonia gas is collected upward. The reason is because this ammonia gas is lighter than air. Because air is downward and ammonia is upward, so natural this is the common sense that ammonia is lighter than air. So that's why. What is the method of collection? This is downward displacement of air. Okay. Then why this gas is not collected over water? For that the reason is, like HCl gas, ammonia gas is also highly soluble in water. So that's why it is not collected in water. Now it is the time to check yourself. Your question is, why quicklime is used to dry ammonia? And you will answer this question in the comment section. I will wait for your answer.